Welcome to Write It in 5. I'm author Victoria J. Coe. Today's session is persuasive writing. No pressure, no rules. Your challenge? Write as much as you can in 5 minutes. The topic this time is persuade your family that they should send you and a group of friends on a vacation to a candy factory. So grab a notebook, grab a pencil, and if you need help getting started, consider we've been mostly great this year. Now we deserve a candy-filled vacation. Or, hard work equals candy trip. It's only fair. No rules, just write for 5 minutes. Time starts now. You're halfway there. Keep coming up with more reasons. One minute left. Keep going. See how much more you can write. Time's up. Did you surprise yourself at how much you can write? It's amazing what you can do in just 5 minutes. Bonus, share or swap with a partner and ask them, what do you want to know more about? If you could change one thing, what would it be? If you want to write more or add on, go for it. No pressure. And I will see you next time.